This is Daphne with Glittered Up with Daphne, and I have a little haul, and I'm going to go ahead and do it because there are things that I'm going to be using in, well, one of them, a project I'm working on right now that I'll have up shortly. Within a day or two, I should have it up. So, but before I do that, I want to just show you, I have my Valentine sprinkles made up. I got them everywhere. Anyway, so I made these with the polymer clay, and you can refer back to I did Christmas sprinkles with the polymer clay. So if you want to see how to do them, you can just check that video out, and then you can see how I did them. And hopefully you won't spill them everywhere like I did. Anyway, so those are so I did a red, and then I took some of the red and I mixed some white in with it. So I got kind of a lighter, I didn't have hot pink, so I was trying to get to a sort of a hot pink. And then I had a light pink, and then I had white. So that's what I did here. Anyway, I got those done. So the next thing is, it's not really a crafting item, and I have already used out of it. So we went to Aldi's, and I got the Cupid's brew, and we got the Christmas one. My husband did. He got that for me, and I really liked these. So we went to Aldi's, but I saw that they had these. So there's a lady that I watch. I think she's like the grocery lady, and she goes to like Sam's Club and Aldi's and Costco's. I don't really watch Costco's because I don't have a card for them. And then she does like anyway, Sam's Club and Aldi's and then the Costco. But anyway, I saw her find these, and I was like, oh baby, I gotta have these. So my husband took me to Aldi's, and not only did I get one, but I got two. He got me two. So, and you can see I've already started using out of them, and they were both really good. So I had like really good flavors. So I've had the strawberry shortcake and the vanilla bean, and it has toasted marshmallow, brown sugar, chocolate coconut, which is my all-time favorite donut, and then Hawaiian. In fact, that's where we went for our honeymoon. We went to Hawaii. We went to Maui. So that kind of made me think of that. Amaretto, cherry, and chocolate caramel, and then raspberry chocolate, white chocolate, and chocolate fudge brownie. So I think all of those sound really good, and I can't wait to try them all. Anyway, so he got me 2 boxes. And then the next thing is I went to Hobby Lobby because I needed a couple things. And of course I got the cherries, and they weren't on sale. 2 weeks in a row they weren't on sale, but I needed those for some fake bakes that I'm going to be doing. So we got those, and they were just regular price. So they were $4.49 a bag, which is really nice if you can get them for 40% off, which is what I'd like to do, but sometimes it seems like lately I haven't been able to do that. And I bought some glitter paint, red glitter paint, and I thought I was going to have to use it for the project that I'm going to be doing, but while we were in there, I got some fine red glitter, so that'll help with, it's going to be lettering, and the party glitter that I have, it just, you can't keep it on the little blur letters. So I got that, and that was $2.79. And I also got another bottle of this because I fly through puffy paint, and this is the shiny, bright, brilliant white puffy paint, which I like. So I got that. And then I picked up another bottle of just plain red paint. I have the apple barrel, it's red apple, and I've been using a lot of that on different things that I've been doing. So, and you'll be seeing those here shortly too. So I got some more red. And then while I was there, they had the E6000 was, I think it was $3.99 for the tube of it. So we went ahead and picked up a bottle of that because I also have a project that I needed that for because I used up all that I had. And there was like a tiny bit left and it dried out. So I like to do the little tubes, but we were at checkout and it was there. It was on sale and we're like, just get it. So that's what I did. And then the next part comes from Dollar Tree. So I got a couple of these heart boxes that I have plans for these. These are going to be fake bake cakes. So you'll get to see that upcoming. And then I have a light pink ribbon. I used it on the hearts, the hanging hearts that I have a video of that's already up, and the light pink. So they had this chenille in the red and a darker pink, and I'm going to be using these for a project along with that light pink, so you'll get to see that upcoming. That's the video that'll be up real soon. So I have those. And then I missed this too. So this also came from Hobby Lobby. This was a Folk Art metallic pink, and I had to already use out of it. So, but anyway, I got this at Hobby Lobby, and it was $1.79 for the bottle of it. And I already got the red, and I think I've shown that in one of my hauls. So then the other thing that I got at Dollar Tree was, I was in there and they had Christmas stuff at, I believe it was 75% off, 70% off, something like that. So I think I paid like $3.50 for this. So I just thought this was really cute. Maybe it was only 50% off because it was $3.50. That's what it was, 50% off. But anyway, I thought this was adorable, and I'm gonna turn it into Valentine's Day. So some of that metallic pink paint might end up on this, and maybe some of the red too, we'll see. But anyway, so I got that, and then it has like Christmas lights on it. So I don't know if I can make this work, but while I was there, they had these little Valentine's lights in pink. So I got these, so I'm going to see if I can't make those work. And if not, then I'll just paint these like pink and red or something, because I have the metallic paint and I can do that now. And they're not really, they don't light up anyway, so it wouldn't really matter. So it'd be really easy to do that. I might just do that. But anyway, I got these just in case, so we'll see. Anyway, so that is it. That's all I have. It was just a little quick haul just to show you a couple of the things that I needed to use them. So like this, and this is an upcoming project. So we will see you soon. Don't forget to give me a like, and please follow me, because that really helps my channel to grow. I'm trying so hard to get it to grow, and I'm gonna try to keep videos coming out constantly, little hauls, and then the little projects that I've been doing. So those will be coming up, and yeah, feel free to talk to me and tell me what you're thinking, and I look forward to hearing from you. So you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later.